Welcome to a new episode of VTV Today, a show that brings you the Vanier news every 2 weeks. I'm Sarah, your host for this episode, and this is what's happening from November 16th to 27th. We cannot stress this enough, self-care is super important in a time like this. Vanier Student Life has been and is still organizing all kinds of workshops to help you get through this difficult time we're all facing. On Wednesday, November 18th from 12:30 to 1:45, Student Life is hosting a workshop on forming new habits on how to get well and stay well during COVID. Also tune in on Friday, November 20th at 3 p.m. for a self-care for the at-home student workshop. I'm just gonna enter that in my calendar. You'll find more information on the sign-up links on Omnivox. Still using your same old recipes from the beginning of lockdown in March? Spice things up with a virtual cooking workshop. This takes place Friday, November 27th from 4 to 6 p.m. courtesy of Vanier Student Life. Sign up through Omnivox. Calling all creative writers. The Sircom Memorial Scholarship is seeking applications. If you receive grades of higher than 80% in at least 2 of your English classes and think you are deserving of a $500 scholarship, we ask that you submit a portfolio of 5 to 15 double-spaced pages of creative literary work. Due to the fact that it is the 10th anniversary of the Sircom Memorial Scholarship, they are offering an additional mini scholarship of $150 to the student whose portfolio has the best single story on the topic of hope. Winter break is coming soon, so you have more than enough time to get those hamster wheels turning and those keyboard keys clicking. Contact Dana Bath by Mayo if you're interested. Hope you're all not watching too much Netflix and are getting some good work done. Good luck, and thank you for watching VTV Today.